right there. Now, watch what happened. The flash went off and we ended up with a photograph different than what we wanted, because a lot of these cameras have automatic flash. So if you've got a camera like that, one of the things you've got to remember to do is turn off the flash unit. In this camera, the flash unit is turned off with this button here. And you turn it until you see the little no flash symbol. And now if I take this photograph again, we capture what we were hoping to. The beauty of tabletop photography is once you've got it set up like this, you can just keep playing with the lights, take a whole bunch of different variety of pictures, and it's digital. Doesn't cost anything. Enjoy it. Have fun. Learn to see what's in front of you, and your photography skills will go up tremendously. We're just working with light and shadow.